Hey everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel, and today we are going to see how to log the uh, parameter values in Hibernate. Like generally you have noticed that Hibernate print the SQL query in a form of question mark. So let's take a look of this project. So this is the dependency which I have added for logging the parameter values. And let's see the hibernate configuration file. So in driver class property, I have given the base byte driver. Like generally we gave original hibernate driver here. And now in spider properties file at line number 45, I have given the original driver of database. And at line number 47, I have given the location for log file, and in this log file the parameter values with hibernate query will log. So you can download this spider properties file from this Spy official website, so don't worry about it. And let's take a look of entity class. So this is my entity class where I have given the table and column name. And these are the three fields. This is the table name. And as you can see that right now there is no spy.log file. So when we will run this project, then spy.log file will get it in this directory. And this is the main class where I have put the details: user ID, username, and current date. And this is the session factory session, and here I am saving the object. So let's run this project. As you can see that Hibernate created the table, and now Hibernate insert the data in the table. But as you can see that this query insert into user details and column names, values, and values in question mark form. So this is the spy.log file which have been created, and here you will find the Hibernate query with parameter values. So here take a look, and this is the Hibernate query with question mark, and this is the query with parameter values. So this is how you can print the parameter values in Hibernate query. It is very beneficial when you have to debug the code. So